And this is the dy/du. So instead of using f and g, right, they use the u. Then the g is the u. G is the u. So df du, which means so this is df is dy du times the u dx. And notice the reason they like this notation is it look almost. It's not true, by the way. Mathematically, it's wrong, but it look almost as if you cancel the du. Then you get the well, so it's a chain. Basically, you link the y and the x. You link them via the u. The u is the middleman. Yeah, not intermediate that variable, but this is the linking between them. So I'll come back and I'll talk about this notation a little bit more down the line. Actually, this is a very useful notation. Very useful. All right. So let's try to focus on this guy right here. This one says the derivative of a composition of function is the derivative of the outside times derivative of the inside. So let's see how it works. Earlier, remember the question I was asking you at the beginning was, what if we have x plus 1 to the 20, and we know that we're not going to multiply the out and do the derivative of each, right? So the way we recognize it is the outside function is x to the 20. The inside function is x plus 1. Yes? And the chain rule, what does the chain rule say? The chain rule say that I'm going to do the derivative of the out. This is my f. This is my g. All right? And what does the chain rule say? It's going to say f prime. Let's do f prime. What is f prime of x?
20x to the 19.
20x to the 19. Yes? And what is g prime?
1.
It's 1. Yes? But if you examine the formula carefully, they did not say f prime of x. They say f prime of g of x. What does that mean? What does it mean by f prime of g of x?
Means it's x plus 1 instead of x.
So you're gonna take, instead of x, you have to put in the g, which is the x plus 1. So this is the 20 x plus 1 to the 19. All right. So what is the final answer? The final answer is f prime of g of x, which is 20 x plus 1 to the 19 times the g prime, and luckily the g prime is 1, so times 1, and that's the final answer. And that's what you were saying, Simone was saying earlier, 20 subtract 1.
So if it wasn't 1, would we multiply it?
Yes, whatever that is. All right. Are you still there? Knock, knock. Yes.
To make say if it wasn't 1 and it was a different number.
Okay, let's do it.
To make it multiplication easier, can you, for the first one, can you do 20x plus 20 is the 19? Can you distribute the 20 to make it easier?
No,
No?
actually, because this one is, the exponential go first. If you have 20x plus 1 to the 19, it's not the same as 20x plus 20 to the 19. You cannot distribute inside
The exponent has to go first, right? Like if we were to do that.
So let's do one more example, all right? Let's go back to here. Pick your poison. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your
3.
choice.
3. Tangent.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna show you I'm gonna do it very slow like this, and then once we get comfortable, I'm gonna show you how to do it fast.
3.
Right? So let's do it slow.
3.
Let's do it slow to get comfortable, and then we can do it fast. Right?
3.
So the chain rule. Well, 3 is actually, you have several layers, so probably maybe let's do 1 first and then do 3.
Okay.
So the chain rule. The prayer will say that if h of x is f of g of x, then h prime x is f prime of g of x. So the final answer is the derivative of x plus 1 to the 20 is 20x plus 1 to the 19 times 1. Alright, now, so let's try to do the first one. But if I ask you to do the derivative of the square root of x squared plus 2x plus 1. Alright, so let's do it slow. Again, let's do it very slow. The f of x, we already say that it is the square root of x, it is x to the 1/2. The g of x is x squared plus 2x plus 1. I hope by now you have no problem recognize who's outside, who's inside. I hope. Is everybody clear on that? Yes or no? Because that is important. You need to be able to recognize that in order to move on. Okay. So now so first of all, let's take the derivative of x. Then what is the derivative of 1/2? X to the 1/2.
1/2 x to the negative 1/2.
And the derivative of the g.
2x plus 2.
Yes. And the chain rule say that I need to do the f prime not of x but of the g of x. In other words, anytime I see an x here, I have to replace it with the g of x. So it's gonna be 1/2 x squared plus 2x plus 1 to the negative 1/2. And now the chain rule say I'm gonna do the f prime of g, which is 1/2 time the g prime, and this is my g prime. Right? Are you still there or no? You're not there. Alright, now as far as simplification, if you want, you can background the 2 and you cancel with that 2 and then say that. Let's not do a simplification now. I don't want to dilute the problem. Let's focus, completely focus on doing the chain rule. Are you still there? Okay. Why don't you try it yourself? You try it. I want you to do number 2. I want you to do